Most people think you have to replace the whole window when it breaks. We thought, maybe just fix the part that's broken. And maybe don't charge a small fortune to do it. In the summer of 2000, I started with a table saw, a garage, and a mission. Help homeowners keep the soul of their house without draining their savings. Because your home is worth saving. We're not some mega chain or vinyl window empire. We're a family business, literally. My sons are here. My friends' sons are here. And some days even the dogs are here. This shop is our home. It's our passion. And every sash we make is treated like it's going into our own homes. We believe in craftsmanship, honesty, and keeping it Midwest simple. We don't replace your windows. We bring you peace of mind because all we've done for 25 years is windows, so we think we're pretty good at it. Thousands of homeowners have saved time, money, and a whole lot of stress by choosing Fenster. Because this isn't just what we do, it's who we are. I am Fenster.
I am Fenster. I am Fenster. I am Fenster.
I am Fenster.
I am Fenster.
I am Fenster.
I am Fenster.
We are Fenster!
We are Fenster family! Familia!
I am Fenster.
I am Fenster?
Us be windows. I am window.